Hello friends. Friends, we have already discussed the poem Indian Weavers. Many of you had requested me to make video for appreciation. So today I am here with the appreciation of the poem The Indian Weavers. We had already discussed much about the points of the appreciation in last poem. If you want to know something about those points, please go through that poem once again. Today I am not going to discuss much about those points. Directly we will start the appreciation. The first point is title. The title of the poem is Indian Weavers, and this title indicates that the poem is about Indian weavers and the variety of clothes that they have to weave according to occasions and incidents. We Indians celebrate different festivals. At the same time, we have different types of incidents at life, sad incidents like death, and during these occasions and incidents we give some importance to the colors, type of clothes, and that is what we understand by this title. Poem. The poem is a narrative poem and it is written in the form of question and answers. Total 3 stanzas are there. In every stanza, first 2 questions are dedicated for the question and last 2 lines give answers. Narrative poem means actually it is a kind of telling something. So poet tells us and therefore it is narrative poem. The poem represents the true soul of India and it depicts tradition and culture, particularly importance of the colors during the journey of life and its stages. Next point is poet. Sarojini Naidu sings original song of India and hence she is rightly called as the Nightingale of India. Her poetry has the quality of singing songs, we can call. Those songs are so beautiful. Even when we read poem, we find that there is a rhythm, and she is known for the clarity of thoughts also. She was a very keen observer and she observes Indian people very minutely, and the thoughts that she presents through poems, those are very clear. She depicts the philosophy of life because every thought has some philosophy, and as a poet she is humanitarian in true sense because she writes about human being. Theme of the poem. In this poem the poet speaks about 3 important stages of life and relates them with different colors and the different parts of the day. For example, the first stage was birth, and this stage is related to the morning time, and also it is related to the blue color dress. For marriage, green and purple veil is woven in the evening. Finally, white shroud is woven at the night, and this white shroud is woven for the dead. Style. Next point. The poet has used very simple but sweet rhythmical language. I had already told you that style is nothing but the use of language, and here also the poet has used very sweet and rhythmical language, and at the same time it is very easy. It is written in colloquial form. Colloquial form means conversational form. Poet is talking with the weavers. The poem is full of musical words, and those words are like halcyon, plumes and feathers. The rhyme scheme of the poem is traditional, that is AABB, and some figures of speech are used like repetition, alliteration, metaphor and simile. These are the major figures of speech, and parts of the day are explicitly compared with the stages of life, and therefore the dominant figure of speech in the poem is metaphor. So what are the special features of the poem? Yes, rhythm, philosophy, symbolism and imagery. These are the special features of the poem. The poet has painted the picture of Indian weavers who weave tirelessly at different times of the day. Different times of the day means different parts of the day. This poem has been used as an imagery to describe the 3 stages of human life. Imagery of morning, imagery of evening, imagery of night, and therefore these images are very important. At the same time some other images are also there, like there is one bird, halcyon bird, then peacock sorry, and the last point is significance and opinion. We cannot say that there is a moral in this poem, or there is a message in this poem. But the poem is significant in many other grounds, like the poem gives the true picture of Indian tradition and understanding of the real sense of India. In this way, we can call that the poem is significant. And I think, what I think about the poem, that we must write at the end, that is, the poem is highly rhythmical. I like this poem very much, especially for its picturesque quality. Rhythmical, I already told you that there is a music in the poem. Every line tells us that, read it in a way that we sing a song. And when those viewers view, a kind of pictures appear in front of our mind, even the colors appear in front of the mind, therefore the pictures quality is there. That's why I like this poem very much. Alright, thank you. Friends, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.